Hey crafters, welcome back to my channel Because I'm Crafty. My name's Katelyn and today I'm going to be testing out a video idea, so let me know down below if you like this idea and if you'd like me to continue with making these types of videos. But I wanted to show you guys a Fabricland haul. I went to Fabricland and they had a sale, so I picked up a couple of things, definitely more than I went there for, which is always the case. So I thought I'd show you guys what I got, so let's get into it. So one of the first things I seen was a scissor kit that was to be discontinued, so it was half price. So I got these 3 pairs of scissors and I seen the red and thought that it would be perfect to match my sewing room, which I will reveal soon. So this was regular price $49.98 and it was half off, so they were around $20. And I just think it's really good to always have an extra kind of smaller pair to have at your sewing machine. You can never have too many larger fabric scissors, so I got those. So I found this little tool. It is a scissor and blade sharpener, and it was only $6.99 and it was on sale as well. They had a 40% off sale for society members, and then they were taking 13% off for the tax. So it was definitely a good deal, and I thought it'd be just something cool to test out because I definitely have some scissors to be sharpened, like the ones behind me. So I'll definitely be testing that out. I got a couple of yellow tape measures just because you can never have too many, and they were $1.60, so by the time I bought 2, it was pretty cheap. Then I found this ribbon, which again I didn't need, but it's also discontinued. It was on sale for $5.59, and it's kind of like a burlap look to it, but it's got kind of dress forms and irons on it and all this kind of sewing related things. So I thought that I could use it in the room somewhere as I'm finishing it up, or use it for a DIY or something. The next thing I picked up was a sewing supply organizer. So it's a little plastic organizer that I thought it would be good to put in my drawer beside my machine. So it's got some little pegs on the inside for your thread. There's some small spots down the middle for your bobbins, which I thought would be really perfect, just because as I'm sewing, sometimes I switch a lot back and forth depending on what I'm making. So I thought it would be really nice to have something that's actually got compartments in it. And I also picked up a bag of batting. I wanted to add another layer of batting to my ironing board, and I'll just be able to get the 1 layer out of it, so that's perfect, and it's a little bit thicker than the one I used before, so I'll just give it that extra little bit of cushion. So of course I can't leave Fabricland without buying fabric, so I did buy some useful things and some things just for myself. So the useful things that I purchased were some interfacing. I got some cotton woven fusible and some white knit fusible interfacing, and then the rest is lace. I bought a lot of lace. Some of it is going to be for business making things, and some of it is going to be for myself. I really want to start making more of my own clothes this year. I didn't really want to make any New Year's resolutions, but I think that is definitely one of them. I really just have come to dislike shopping for clothes, and I think I'd rather make my own. So I'm going to add these to the huge pile I already have, but I think they really make some cute items. So all of these ones I found were in the kind of clearance bins. So I found this one here. It is a navy blue one. It's kind of got these circular flowers going down. I think that this would be really nice to layer over a different color or wear some kind of tank top underneath, but I think it would make a really cute top. So there's a green one. Again, it's got some kind of lines in it as well and some kind of geometrical shapes going on. But I think it's really pretty as well. It's definitely a color I wouldn't normally pick out, but I don't know, I was drawn to it and I like the texture of it. And the next 2 laces that I got for myself are definitely very fancy laces, but I thought I'd make some really nice tops out of them. So this first one is pink. If you can see there, it's got a nice scalloped edge on the bottom. So it's very kind of net in between the design of it, but I really like that scallop edge on the bottom. Very, very pretty, and it's pink, of course. Gotta love the pink. And then I found another one, this blue one. It's got the scallop edge on it as well. There's stuff that was really pretty, nice and bright. There you can see the scalloped edge there. Very floral. Definitely something I'd like to layer over the plain fabric. And then these 2 I think I'm going to use for business type things, stuff to sell. So this is like a white lace, but it's kind of layered over a netting. So it's all one. And it does have a bit of a scalloped edge, but the netting does continue out further from it. And then I really liked this black one. I bought the rest of the remnants, so I'll have to see how much is here, but I really love that scallop detail that it's got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little Fabricland haul. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. I think it's really fun to share all of our finds, and there's definitely other places that I like to shop at too, but Fabricland is the closest for me. So if you have any cool fabric shops that you love to shop at, let me know down in the comments below as well. If you guys make any of my past DIYs, make sure to share it with me on Instagram or Facebook with the hashtag #BecauseI'mCrafty. If you guys have any video requests or product reviews that you'd like to see me do, let me know about those in the comments below as well. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you next time, crafters. Bye!